Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is going to be another busy day for us. So we're going to be cooking stew that will last us for 1 month. So that is what we're going to be cooking today. So these are the things I'm going to be using for the stew that will last us for 1 month. It's so it's so heavy. So I'm beginning to act like my daughter. When she says something in seven, she needs to do it's so heavy. So it's so heavy. So these are the things I'm going to be using to prepare the stew that will last us for 1 month. So I'm going to start by cleaning up my kitchen. Then I will peel off the back of the fish and even the cutlet that I'm going to be using. It has a little bit of hair inside, so I'm going to be roasting it and remove the hair. So we're going to start by cleaning up everywhere. I said everywhere. Start by cleaning up the kitchen, the place I'm going to be using to cook. So let's go. So I'm still washing my fryer because I want to use it to fry fish. So now I'm done washing it, I'm cleaning it. So I just want to clean it because I really need to make use of it. So I want to wash these dishes here before I will start cooking because I don't like me not washing my dishes when cooking because I want to clear off the sink. So when I'm cooking, the ones that I will later make, the mess I will later make, then I will just wash it as well. So I run out of soap, then I'm filling it with my washing soap now. I'm done washing my dishes. So my husband just come back from the supermarket, so he got us apple and pizza, take a look, and banana and cheese and fasolator and carrots, another cheese, and this one energy. They say this energy drink. So these are all what he got from the supermarket this morning. So bitter. San bitter. Maybe it's very bitter. That is why they call it san bitter. I don't know. So we're gonna try it. I've not tested it before. So we're gonna try it. I think it's non-alcoholic. Non-alcoholic, right? Then we'll try it. So these are the things I'm going to be using for my stew: pepperoni and cow leg and all that. So the cow leg is still very stiff, or ice. So I want to put it in a bowl, then add some water and allow it to melt. So here I'm adding in my seasonings, all my seasonings that I want to use. So I just finished adding in salt, then I will be adding thyme that I want to use to season the meat as well. Oh, the turkey. So it's a meat, turkey is still a meat. So I just finished adding in the thyme, then I'm going to be adding in black pepper and whatsoever I'm going to be using to season the meat. So I'm just adding in one after the other in it. So before I go to the next thing I want to be doing, so I don't have seasoning cube. So but I have it, the one I've not put in my storage already, this small rubber, this yellow storage box. So I'm just taking it from the pack, so I'm losing it to put it in my storage for my seasoning cube. Yeah, so now I'm adding in some curry powder and whatsoever I'll be using. So what am I even looking for now? Okay, I want to add in some pepper, blended pepper to the meat I'm cooking because I'm going to be frying some meat out. So just finish adding all the seasoning now. Then you see this cow leg that I want to use to cook this stew. These cow legs, they have some little hair on it, so I'm just want to use this small burner to burn all the hair away from the cow leg or out of the cow leg. So I'm burning it now. So here I'm checking out if it's ready, and it's ready. So I just put it down from my burner. So now I'm gonna be adding in the cow leg. It's all clean now. I finished burning the little hair on it. So I'm adding it to the pot. Then I will allow it to be cooked. I like it very soft. So So now I'll be covering it and I'll allow it to cook and stay soft. So I don't know if you know abodi. This one is abodi, not shaki. I wanted to say shaki. So I have this abodi here. I want to be slicing it into pieces, or I want to be slicing it the way I like it. So this is the abodi and it's very ice, so I'm slicing it now. So I just finished slicing the abodi. Now I'm adding it into the cow leg that I'm boiling. So I'm going to be cleaning all the fish now. I'll start by peeling all the fish. So now I'm here peeling the fish shell. I don't know the actual name, Sha. So I just finished cleaning the fish now. Now I'm cutting it into different pieces. The way I just like it. I don't want it too big or too small. So the shape I'm cutting it now is the shape I like it to be. So I just finished cutting all the fish up. So I'm the sheet of the fish, or I don't know, the one that is inside. So I'm removing it, the bad part. So I like tying it in the cellophane before I'll put it inside my trash. They call it umido. The trash, they call it umido because it's food trash. So I'll be putting it inside. Now I'm done. I want to be cleaning up my sink and make everywhere clean before I start cooking. Here I am slicing my onion. So me slicing the onions, the thing is entering my eye. But what will I do now? I want to cook. I want to cook now. Even if it's entering my eye, I will not cry. You want to make me cry, but I won't cry. So I just finished slicing all my onions now. I'm going to be blending it. I'm going to be blending my onions now and my pepper and bell pepper as well. I'm going to be blending all of them together. I'm pressing it down because it's like it's much. Then here I'm blending it, so I'm blending everything together. My crayfish is inside as well. I add crayfish to it because I normally add I normally add crayfish to my stew. I just want that that crayfish smell to be in the stew, so I add crayfish to the stew. Look at the way it's blending now. Everything is blending. So now I like to blend. Then I will go and check on my cow leg. See, the cow leg is, I think it's ready. It's ready. The cow leg is ready. So I will just fry the fish that I just finished cleaning. Here I don't have an oil in my fryer. Then I just add some oil. Then I fry my tomatoes. Then I will add all my pepper, onions. So I just add all the tomatoes, pepper, and I'm going to be adding these bottle tomatoes inside as well. So, but I just want to stir this one to avoid burning. So I add all the tomatoes inside now. So I will stir it very, 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 very well to avoid it from burning. Then I will just cover it and I'll allow it to cook. So these dishes right here, I just want to do these dishes. The one I use while trying to peel the onions, wash the fish, blend the tomato, and also I'm just going to wash these dishes so to clear off the sink again as well.
There's just so much left to say. Wanna get to know you in every kind of way. But you speak it in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like screaming at a wall. My words get lost in translation. Can you feel my frustration? just trying to break through, but you make it hard when you are.
So now I'm just going to be adding in the cow leg so it will soak in the stew and so that it will be softer. Now it's not that soft, but if I add it in the stew before the stew will be cooked, or before the stew will get cooked, everything will be soft inside. So I just want to add all of it inside. Then I will add in the fish and the fried turkey as well. Then I will just allow them to cook together so that it will give you that turkey, everything aroma inside, aroma scent inside. Then I will stir it. I will stir it very, 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 very well. I don't want it to get burned in the bottom of the pot. Then I will stir it very, 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 very well. So see the way I'm stirring it. See all the fish, meat, the shaki, body, everything inside. They are so inviting. Then I will just cover it. Then I will allow them to, to cook together. Look the way it's boiling. In fact, I'm even hungry right now. The way I begin to swallow speed, the way everything is cooking. Look now, just look. Take a look out. Look. This one, it's very, very, very inviting, So I'll just stir it, I'll just stir it very, 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 very well. This one, this turkey here, I want to put it in the paper bag just in case anyone wants to eat fried meat. They can easily eat this one. just in case anyone would feel like maybe I just want to eat fried meat. They will just take from here. So I'll pack it in the bag. Yeah. So here is the stew. Yeah, here's the stew. Ooh, it's burning. I want to hold it very well so that I can show you guys. Can you stay quiet, please? Yay! Here. Take a look now. Take a look. Here is the stew. I'm going to be packing it into a bowl. So. So I just finished packing it into a bowl. Two bowl. I don't know how to raise it up so that you guys can see it. Let me not go on. Two bowl. This one will last for 2 weeks. The other one will last for another week too. So I think I'm going to end this vlog here. It has been a stressful day, so I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Please, if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share my video and give it a thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys on my next vlog. I'm so tired. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye bye.